Schaeffler saw more than 70 technicians attend REPXPERT Academy Live at Lincoln College recently, where it provided training sessions on timing belt drives, double clutches and modern thermal management systems. The free event, which was held in partnership with the IMI, was the first of a series of regional events taking place at venues across the UK. It's part of a new offering to help workshop technicians and owners improve their technical and business skills.
You're not taking a great deal of time away from work with it being on a Saturday. There's a lot crammed into it. You know, if you're going to do a day's training, do a full day and get a lot out of it.
I think we do believe in the past that we sort of go, I'll be all right, I'm self-taught. And you'll take a job in and you'll do the best you can. We're not understanding the background, the knowledge of it.
Just did a presentation just now, one of the guys says, it's black magic. So that was on thermal management, and it has changed so much, so dramatically. This is not evolution, it's revolution. Switchable water pumps, we're now into the second and third generation, and they need to understand this is changing. And if you look at the presentation that Andy Sava is taking, he's delivering, then I think he's really trying to help mechanics to think about their futures, invest in their futures.
The next REPXPERT Academy Live event will take place at Basingstoke College on the 25th of January 2020. Further events are currently being planned to be held at Blackpool, Warwick and Swansea. For further information and to register your attendance for the next REPXPERT Academy Live, go to www.repexpert-training.co.uk.